Today we'll try to do something called a transitional takeoff. So first we'll see what an actual transitional takeoff looks like. This is a Blue Angel plane doing a transitional takeoff. That means they'll fly to the end of the runway, parallel to the runway. And at the final moment they'll just pull off to a vertical climb, blowing off the soil beneath. Now we'll try to do the same thing with an F22 Raptor RC plane. The only difference is that since it's a belly lander, we cannot take it off, we just have to hand launch it. So instead of calling it a transitional takeoff, we'll call it a transitional flyby. So let's see how many attempts it took me to learn this maneuver. The trick is that you have to come in low, like if you are just landing the plane, and when you feel that the plane is too close to the ground, you have to do two things simultaneously. First thing you want to do is you're gonna want to pull the stick back completely, and after that within no time you just have to put the throttle to its maximum power. Just remember that don't take any time between these two activities, and this maneuver shall happen nicely. By the way, this was my day 1 and it went pretty well. So guys, if you like my video, make sure you subscribe my channel as I'll be...
Fuel flow on, engine start, oil pressure, check, phantom power, 48 volts, directional signals, check, RPM increasing, check, navigational devices on and locked, beacon lights on, highway lights on, virginity intact.